No way you're gonna put me in detention! I wasn't even running! No!
Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy CaseOh, and today we are tackling something that is super useful in math. Fractions. I know math might not always be everyone's favorite thing, but trust me, fractions are not as scary as they sound. All right, let's get into it. First of all, what even is a fraction? A fraction is just a way to show a part of a whole. Imagine you have a pizza, because who does not love pizza? If you eat one slice out of the 8 slices in the box, you just ate 1/8 of the pizza. The number on top of the fraction, the 1, is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts you are talking about. The number on the bottom, the 8, is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole thing is split into. So when you see 1/8, you know it means 1 part out of 8 total pieces. Let's try another example. Say you are at your friend's birthday party and there is a giant cake with 6 slices. You grab 2 slices. What is the fraction of cake you ate? I will give you a second. It is 2/6. 2 parts out of 6 total slices. Now here is something cool. We can actually simplify fractions to make them look cleaner. Both 2 and 6 can be divided by 2, right? So 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. That means 2/6 simplifies to 1/3, or 1/3. Boom! Now you know how to simplify fractions. Easy, right? All right, let us move on. Let us say you are building something like a bookshelf, and you need to measure a piece of wood that is 3/4 of a foot long. This fraction means that the piece is split into 4 equal parts, and you are looking at 3 out of those 4 parts. Think of it like a chocolate bar that is divided into 4 sections. If you eat 3 pieces, you ate 3/4 of the bar. And yes, I know we are talking about food again. I can't help it. Food makes math fun. Next, let us talk about adding fractions. This is where people sometimes get tripped up, but do not worry, I have got you. If the denominators and the bottom numbers are the same, adding fractions is super easy. For example, let us add 1/5 plus 2/5. Since the denominators are both 5, all you have to do is add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. You just keep the denominator the same. Simple. But what if the denominators are different? Let us say you want to add 1/4 plus 1/2. First, you have to find a common denominator, which is just a fancy way of saying a number that both denominators can turn into. In this case, 4 works because both 2 and 4 go into it. So we change 1/2 to 2/4. Same value, just a different look. Now we add 1/4 plus 2/4 and we get 3/4. Boom. You just added fractions like a pro. Let us keep it going and talk about subtracting fractions, which is basically the same thing as adding. You just subtract the numerators instead. Say you have 3/4 of a pizza and you eat 1/4. What is left? You subtract. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So you have 2/4 of the pizza left. And do not forget, you can simplify that to 1/2. Half a pizza. I know you are probably hungry now. All right, let us do one last thing. Multiplying fractions. This one is probably the easiest of them all. To multiply fractions, you just multiply straight across. Numerators with numerators, denominators with denominators. Let us say you want to multiply 1/2 times 3/4. Multiply the tops, 1 times 3 equals 3. Multiply the bottoms, 2 times 4 equals 8. So your answer is 3/8. Done. No tricks, no crazy steps, just straight multiplication. All right, that is it for today. I will catch you next time, and remember, math is light work when you take it one step at a time. Peace.